So we are
Yeah.
going to discuss the how and why of the mistakes that I or my friends made in this USMLE journey. So we were a group of 5 to 10 people, and I've brought you a cumulative of each of our experiences, all right, the different things that went wrong with each of our applications. So this is going to be a pretty enriching experience. This is not just the mistakes that I made, but common mistakes that students like you or anybody can make. So as Miss Moini was telling, the match happened and I matched at Westchester Medical Center in New York this year, and I will be starting in July. So why I'm telling you this is that this journey does come to an end. There is a final end point, that is you starting your residency, and it does come, although it takes a little while, 2 to 3 years, so to say. But this is going to give you a beautiful reward at the end, and you are going to cherish every moment of it. So with that, let's begin with our topic today. I would like to know what year most of you are applying. Like, are most of you going to apply in 2023, or you have for the 2023 cycle, or have you not decided yet? This is important for me to know, so, just so that I know what areas we still have to emphasize upon.